In this example, I will calculate the remaining amount after deducting the house rent and other expenses. John's salary is $5,560. He pays 50% as a house rent and 40% of salary for other expenses. What is the remaining amount of John? To calculate house rent amount with 15% rate, active this cell. As this cell has value with percentage symbol, multiply these two cells' values. You will have house rent amount with 15% rate. Enter equal sign. Click this as reference. Enter multiplication operator. Click this as reference. Or type 15. Enter division operator. Type 100. Press enter key. If you click this cell reference, you do not need to divide by 100. So Excel returns $834 in this cell with 15% rate. So John spends $834 from his salary. In other words, you can say he pays house rent $834 from his salary. To calculate amount of other expenses, active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Excel returns $2,224 in this cell with 40% rate. So John spends on other expenses $2,224 from his salary. To calculate total expenses of John, active this cell. Add these two cells' values. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter addition operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. John spends total amount on house rent and other expenses $3,058. To calculate remaining amount of John, active this cell. Subtract the amount of total expenses from total amount value. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. John remaining salary is $2,502. So he spends $3,058 on house rent and other expenses. His remaining amount of salary is $2,502.